Hey, I'm Neil. Today, we're taking a look at the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, a drone with a camera built by the iconic Hasselblad, up to 46 minutes of max flight time, and a 5.5-inch HD display on the remote control. Let's get into it. Little ASMR moment with the plastic. Always my favorite. All right, first impressions. Let's see what we've got in here. Ooh, looks like we've got a remote and a manual guide. Let's put that to the side. Let's take a look over here. So this is the DJI RC. It's got a 5.5-inch display over here. And this remote is so cool because it can actually transmit approximately 1080p, 60 frames per second, up to 15 kilometers in distance. We've got our charging cables over here. Let's put that to the side. Oh, and here we go. This is the drone itself. This is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. All right, so here we go. And the drone itself is covered by the protective strap just to keep your drone safe and comfortable. Look at this beauty. I love the construction, I love the feel. It's got that classic DJI construction. So the camera itself is a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that provides stunning true-to-life colors in your imagery. One of my favorite features is that this camera can actually record 5.1K up to 50 frames per second, or 4K up to 120 frames per second. So if you want to slow down your video, you can really do that at 4K. Personally, I love shooting in the evening, so I'm gonna have a great time shooting with this camera using the night shots feature. The great thing about the battery is you get up to 40 minutes in hover time or up to 46 minutes in max flight time. So it's perfect for me. I don't have to worry about charging my battery when I'm flying and just in the moment. And lastly, if you're clumsy like me, DJI has provided us with some extra propellers so you're set and ready to go in case any accidents were ever to happen. So that's it. Thanks for unboxing the DJI Mavic 3 Classic with me. My name is Neil, and if you'd like to learn more about this drone, just hit the link below and you can video chat with an expert like myself. We'll see you next time.